Hi, I'm BryCox, BryCox.com. Texas school is coming up, and I want to talk in this really quick short video about class size. It's one of the nice things about Texas school. Like, for instance, when I do a big program at imaging, a lot of times it's in a big room. I think one of the biggest I've ever had was close to like 1,500 people in the room. And they're very short programs, right? 90 minutes, which is a very packed 90 minutes, but they're very short. Compare that to Texas school. When you come to Texas school, you take my class, we're in a limited small size group, and I love that. It's limited to like 25 people, and pretty much every year that I've spoken at Texas school, that class is sold out, and I love that. I love that getting to know, because at the end of the week, and that's the other thing, it's not 90 minutes, it's a full week. It's a full week with me, learning my system, trying things, really getting into it. And it's an intense week, and at the end of it, well, I lose my voice from talking and trying to project my voice for an entire week. I lose my voice. I am completely mentally and emotionally exhausted, and I love every moment of it. I absolutely love it, and I love getting to know all of these photographers personally, and it's one of the hardest things is seeing everybody go. And at the end of that week, everybody leaves, and everybody goes their own direction. And I hope all of the information I've shared really actually helps them. But I actually feel like the information I share in that week is some of the absolute best information, because we can talk one-on-one, we can talk as a group, we can talk in smaller groups. The idea of being in that small kind of an environment, all working together, really makes a big difference for you, for your learning, really for your outlook. And I've got some really fun things I'm changing up this year for my program. I really hope you'll be a part of it. Check out my description. I'll link it below. And send me any questions. Call me if you want, if you have any questions about how my program might help you. All right, you guys. Hope to see you in Texas. All right, until next time, America.